300 divided by 5. Here 5 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 5. 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20. To find out the multiplication table of 5, just add 5 with the previous step. 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 5, 30. 5 goes into 3 how many times? Our here considered dividend is 3, so 0 times, as our considered dividend 3 is less than 5, so 0 times 5, 0 times 5, that gives you 0. Subtract, you are getting 3. Bring down this 0. Now 5 goes into 30 how many times? 5 goes into 30 actually 6 times. Write 6. 6 times 5, that gives you what? 30. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. So 0, 0 means actually 0. 5 goes into 0 how many times? 5 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 5, 0. Subtract, you are getting 0. As there is no digit here and our remainder is 0, so we are done. 0, 6, 0, that is 60 is our answer or quotient.